Hi everyone, it's Mary Kay here, and I'm the Grammy from Grammy Square. I'm going to show you this crochet hack where you don't need to thread beads and you don't need a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook as your primary crochet hook. For this project, I'm using Red Heart, Bitty Stripes, and Rainbow. I'm starting with the foundation row of double crochets. You can make this as long as you want. My primary crochet hook is a 5.5 millimeter, and I'm also using a 3 millimeter to attach the beads. To start a new row, I'll be using 2 stacked single crochets. To do that, make 1 single crochet, and then insert your hook into that vertical bar, pull up a loop, and pull through again. This counts as the first double crochet. Now to attach your bead, start a double crochet, then remove the last loop from your hook, place a bead on your 3 millimeter hook, and then pull through that loop that you just dropped. Then insert your hook back in that loop, tighten it down, complete the double crochet as you normally would. For this project, I'm putting 2 double crochets between each bead, but you can do whatever pattern you like. So 2 double crochets. The next double crochet will have a bead on it, so start the double crochet. Stop at that point, put a bead on your smaller crochet hook, remove the last loop from your hook, pull the bead through that last loop, reinsert your hook, tighten it down, and finish the double crochet as you normally would. Let's do a couple more. If you happen to drop your yarn over strand, which I've done, you can just insert your hook again and bring it back on your hook, and then complete the stitch. Follow the same routine to complete the row. At the end of the row, turn your work and put a row of double crochets all the way across. I'm back at the beginning again, and I'm going to do another stacked single crochet. If you do this at the beginning of every double crochet row, it will keep your work really even on the sides. For the next row, I'm going to put in 1 double crochet and put the bead in the next double crochet. This will keep your beads in a staggered pattern. Continue like this until your piece reaches your desired length. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share this video, and leave a comment. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.